I'm literally going so fast that they can't even spawn. See if I can one-shot these guys. I can't. I can almost. These guys seem a little bit tougher than last time, but the shields. Charge. Wait a second. Oh my god. Why are these guys harder than last time? Weird. There should be like beacons in the sky, yeah. Oh my god, I got so lucky last time. Those spawns were literally pure luck. Oops. I'm gonna have to Spider-Man my way across this. Oh. Oh, I don't... Yeah. I don't remember them pushing me away like that. Good thing I have a grappling hook. Playing jump rope. Sweet, okay, there's one. One down. There's one over here. I'm gonna go to this one first because it's a bit closer. Why is this one red? Oh, there's two here. Can I charge them both? I can't. Oh, this one literally hurts me. This is the worst one. What? No, 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 no. Do not kill me. I worked too hard to get here. Fuck off. Bruh. Yeah, if you beat the bosses round, I'll don't know, but I'll saw. Yes. Oh my god. If you beat the bosses round, I'll don't know, but saw. Just, clip that shit. I don't have big hope, but why does it hurt me? It hurts so bad. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god, it hurts. Ugh. Get a little closer. Bop ya. Bopped. Okay, there's two. Third one was over here, yeah. Come on, I'm right here. Boop. Bada boop. Bada boop. Oh, this one's gonna like slow me down. I don't get it. Does this one make me faster or something? They totally spawned behind that wall. I was just about to say, don't die in here. Okay. There's any mad enemies in here. I don't even know why I bother killing those people. It's gonna kill my time. Alright, Ramsey. Let's give it a shot. to the moon. Okay. I'm gonna grapple him. I'm gonna use both of my critical strike things. I have to hit him like off the bat. This is like the worst character to play for this, honestly. Okay. Why are you running? Oh my god, look at that form. Let me grapple you, forehead. Okay, dance a little bit, slam. I missed, bro! I'm so scared, Ramsey. I'm literally gonna get one tapped by this man. I did not bring a second life either. Okay, this might be good. That almost hurt. I'm gonna use him to get the fuck away from him. And then, like, dodge an attack with my special. Okay, we're back in the business. Oh! Ah! Ah! Get away from me! Get away from me! Ah! God damn. Oh my god, I'm literally slowed. Good thing I have literally a dodge attack. Punch him in his kidneys. That probably almost really hurt. Okay, let me hit ya. Let me hit ya. You're like on 1 HP. Don't slam me, please. I'll cry. Bop. Okay. Phase 2 out of like 5. 1. Oh no. A good thing they're going for my drones and not me. Go for the grounders first. Okay, 2, 3. We lock onto you. Ba-da-bop. 4. Kinda lost count. I'm just trying not to die. Okay. And here it comes like twice as fast. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh my god! Give me the... Oh my god. I'm gonna pee. Oh my god, you almost killed me, bro. Oh my god. Where is he? Okay, this is good on my half. Oh, I thought it was. Give me those cheeks, boy. Okay, I'm taking a lot of damage, but I'm healing a lot. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Please don't clap me. Where'd you go? Get back here. I'm not done. Bob, okay. Okay, this is where I almost died last time. I gotta watch my health. I'm gonna run. And I'm gonna heal. Okay. We only have to give him a few more one-taps. I ate that to the face, bro. I can kill him before he kills me. Just kidding. I'm gonna run and heal. Be safe. I know, Ramsey, I'm healing. Oh, he's right here. Okay, now he's gonna take all my items. I'm gonna kind of lock onto him. This is where it gets. I've never been at this part. Okay, he's taking all my shit. I can't hurt him at all, but I can heal. It looks like I can just stack up my health. Oh my god, he looks like a complete monster, dude. Give me all these healing. Oh my god, dude, he's literally a monster. Oh my god. Bro. Come on. Take this damage. Let me lock onto him. Please, I can kill him. I can one tap him so good right now. No. Bro, sit. Now I have to leave. Now I have to dip as fast as I can, I'm pretty sure. Which? Moon detonation imminent. I gotta go. What is this portal? Oh, where? Okay, I just have to... Best mobility character in the game. Let's go. Dude. No problem for Loader. Dude, we're out. No character can move like Loader. I have to load it? I found the ship. Now I have to protect myself. This is ridiculous. Did you clip that, Ramsey? Did you clip that? Well done. Let's go, bro. I have no idea what... Oh, no, Ramsey. These things can end my run. I'm gonna cry. Oh, my God. I'm gonna cry. Oh, my God, Ramsey. If I get trapped in one of those portals, my game's literally over. This sucks. Oh, my God. Ramsey. No. Okay, oh my god. I'm gonna pee, bro. I literally have to beat this. 80%. I'm literally there. I am literally charged. Come on. Ramsey, we did it. Oh. My hands are so sweaty, dude. My hands are... I was gonna say if you beat the boss this round, I'll dono, but not stop. Remember to heal. I fucking healed, dude. Well done. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god.